it's Anne Stokes here. I'd just like to say a very big thank you to Fantasy Forest for another epic event. We so enjoyed the festival and celebrating Year of the Badger. And here are a few little clips of what we did in the Stoked area.
Well, it's just amazing to be back at Fantasy Forest. You know, we love this festival. We love all the creativity and the costumes and sharing our love of fantasy with you with art and music. So this is absolutely epic that we have the Stoked Bar here, and I'd like now, without further ado, to raise a little toast to this occasion. So if you will join me, please.
Martin, have you got one?
Just Stoked!